When you're ready to start home shopping, then you're probably ready to meet with a realtor. And I always recommend spending good quality time to sit down and really get to know each other and understand more about the market before you fully dive in. Maybe you've already had some talks on the phone, maybe you've even met at a showing, but early in the process, you want to make the time and take the time to really communicate. I want to take the time to know exactly what your goals and preferences are, from your motivation to move in general, even down to some particular detailed feature that you would love to find in a home, whatever those may be. Then we can set up a search. We can find local homes that are possibly already on the market, or as they arrive on the market, we can set a good schedule to understand what's the best time for you to go see houses and plan ahead so we take some of the stress out of it. But we also want to take some time to walk through the entire process, at least in general, because the more comfortable and confident you are as you get going, the more you'll be able to just focus on each property of interest when we go to see them in person.